Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can receive the payment from customers via record deposit method. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel and you want to join and start the complete training, check out the playlist from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
Okay, our next transaction is of 7 January 2018, and transaction is Mr. Mubarak paid all previous balance by giving us cash. Now, who is Mr. Mubarak? Mr. Mubarak is our customer who is buying this inventory items from us. This means if he is making payment for this inventory, then this is also considered as a trading activity. And for trading activity, we need to enter it from a proper document. Let's go to QuickBooks. Okay, which is this balance 40,000? This 40,000 is this balance that we had in the opening position. So to receive this payment, under customers section, we will go in receive payments option and then receive from Mr. Mubarak. As soon as you select this customer, all the pending invoices will show up. Now, as we have seen before, when we enter the opening balance, it enters an invoice for that opening balance, which is on as of 1st of January 2018, it entered an invoice of 40,000 rupees. So we are receiving this whole payment. Just click on this and click yes. It will automatically consider that you are paying this whole amount. Just put on the date here, 7th January 2018, and save and close. Now if we want to check the entry of it, go to receive payments again and click previous. Under the report section, check transaction journal report. Now the entry should be cash debit and account receivable credit, but QuickBooks automatically places undeposited funds instead of cash. Means whatever we receive as a payment from any customer is considered as an undeposited fund for at the first point. Then you have to manually select that if you are considering this to deposit in bank or you have to keep in cash. Under both cases you have to do it manually. I'll first explain this method and then I'll explain another one. We have received the payments, but it is under undeposited funds. Now to deposit that cash or keep cash by yourself, go to this record deposit option as the final stage. Click on this. Now select this payment and click OK. That means I want to deposit it. Click OK. Now it will ask an option that deposit to which account. But I don't want to deposit it in any bank account. I want to keep the cash myself. So you will mention cash and as of 7 January 2018 and save and close. In the next video, I will explain the other method of receiving the payments.